Dear all, good day. Uh, I am Dr. Arun Kumar, Principal, Savita College of Occupational Therapy, Executive Committee member in All India Occupational Therapy Association. So, the occupational therapy is a medical professional, is a healthcare professional dealing treatment to the person who are affected physically or mentally. So the overall affected through physical causes and mentally illness, the occupational therapy is involving and make improvement in the daily to life and make the improve in the quality of life. The occupational therapy is working from the children to adult, those who are involving in the physically and mentally uh, difficulties. For example, the occupational therapists work involving from children who are born with any difficulties, any physical or any other difficulties. They are involving the child and make correction the abnormal normal development and correction the child to make as much as possible in the normal development and interact to the society, and as much as possible the child became a useful citizen in the society. The occupational therapy is involving not only in the pediatric, they are working in the orthopedic and neurology and mental health, and also the economics and community areas also. So in the pediatrics, they are involving in the normal children who want to need normal attention level or normal well-being of the mental health, and children are normally they want to interact with the others in the family, interact with the society, they want to achieve the play skills, and they want to achieve the academic skills. Some physical reason or any other mental disturbance may affect the child interaction with the others, and their academic performance will be affected, or their normal behavior, normal development will be affected. In that area, the occupational therapist involving and evaluating the child what the limitation affect, limit the child interaction, what the physical causes, what are the mental causes affecting the child interacting with the normal development. So normally the children who have difficulty in academics, some children have the difficulty in the writing, reading, some children have the speech difficulties, some children have the physical locomotor difficulties, fine motor, gross motor, are things using to hand to dealing with all the activities, and some children have the behavior issues. This will be prevent to normal interaction to the society. So all the aspect that occupational therapy is working, the conditions are example autism, ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity, learning disability, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, other neurological, other orthopedical, other psychotical condition, the occupational therapy can deal with in the children. But taking the adult, teenage adult or men and women, those who are had any fractures, any neurological lesions, any nerve injuries, any muscle strain, pain, so it ultimately affecting the daily routines. Normally the daily routines is normally as a human being we have to take our bathing skills, eating and dressing and interaction to others and work skill and earning, traveling, transport, all the normal human being with, if we have normal physical and mental capacity, then only we have to interact all the aspect and we can achieve in the society. But any other reason, any accident or any congenital deformity, any other neurological condition, any orthopedical condition may prevent the normal interaction with society. So, occupational therapy involving to evaluating what all the aspect is prevent the things. For example, normal muscle power may be affected to interact into the normal things, or any nerve injury or sensory issues, any other neurological degenerative conditions may affect it. So, as much as possible, giving the therapy and making the independent is the ultimate goal. And occupational therapy also working in the mental well-beings also. Normally, people have affected to the mental illness like depression, schizophrenia, anxiety, suicidal thought, and slow self-esteem. It's ultimately affecting the work interaction with others and even schooling, academic, all the aspect. Aquatherapy involving and giving the therapy to improve the normal well-being and making to having good mental health. The aquatherapy is also working in the ergonomics aspect. Ergonomic is a normal thing using our daily to activities, how our body maintaining without strain, how we can perform our daily work. From the normal labor work to high executive work, all they need normal biomechanical aspect of our sitting, standing, walking, carrying, day-to-day activities. So, but we can't maintain the exact biomechanical positions or all the aspects. So ultimately we get strain pain, mainly the low back pain, and the muscles will be get strained, and our now compression will be happen due to it's limit our work performance, our capacity, our learning capacity, our working capacity, our productivity capacity, our academic capacity, all the things. Aquatherapy is involving the ergonomical aspect, how you can maintain the posture, how we can easily done the work, all the things. So from the birth to adult, all the aspect aquatherapy is working. Child health, pediatrics, orthopedic and neurological conditions, and community rehabilitations, ergonomics, and mental health, all the psychotic conditions. So overall, the aquatherapy is involving all the aspect of human being. Bachelor of Aquatherapy, who can study. Actually, after the 12th exam, after the 12th schooling, those who are taking the subject physics, chemistry, biology, or botany or zoology. So these are the main three subjects is essential for eligibility for to join the BOT course, undergraduate level, Bachelor of Aquatherapy. In India, only Bachelor of Aquatherapy is available. There is no diploma courses in this professional. Bachelor of Aquatherapy, then the higher studies Master of Aquatherapy, and PhD is available. So if you want to join the BOT, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy, the student must pass in the physics, chemistry, biology in the 12th examination. Averagely, they can get the 50% percentage. The university can accept it and they can join the courses. This is the main eligibility for the joining the occupational therapy. In Savita, Bachelor of Aquatherapy we are providing is in a semester base. Here, choice-based quiz system. In that, the 4 years course will divide into 8 semesters. So every semester they have the adequate basic subject. In first semester, they are studying about the normal human anatomy, physiology, basic psychology and sociology. In the second semester, they are studying about the general basic occupational therapy along with the part 2 of the physiology and anatomy. And the third semester, they are studying about the basic pediatric central surgery and the microbiology and pathology and the basic fundamental of the occupational therapy. In the fourth semester, they are studying about the health psychology, clinical psychology and clinical psychiatry and also the community medicine. And the fifth semester, they are studying about the general biomechanics and clinical ortho, clinical neuro. Sixth semester, they have the subject related to the occupational therapy, how dealing with the orthopedical neurological conditions, pediatric conditions, all the things and all. In the 7th and the 8th semester, basically they are studying about the overall rehabilitation about the geriatric, ortho, neuro, pediatric, all the things, and organization, administration and economics, all the aspect. So the overall curriculum, it's not only based on the clinical and treatment, overall administration aspect, supervision aspect, economical aspect, community servicing aspect, government aspect, all the things and all. Those who are qualified in the BOT undergraduate level, they can pursue for the Master of Aquatherapy in different specialty. Then the student can take for the PhD also. Then after the finishing the undergraduate, what are the scope where they can work means in the government hospital, private hospital, they can run the private clinic, private rehabilitation centers, they can start a NGO, they can go abroad and can they work in different sectors, they can join in a college and work as professors in the college teaching the other students all the things, they can join the research on any other research projects, and they can work in the communities setup also. There is a huge scope in the occupational therapy. They can work as a researcher, they can work as the clinician, they can work as the academician, they can work as the research scholar. All the aspects they have their big scope. In Savita, now we are providing the application forms to join this course. Those who want to join the course, they can come the office university campus in Sriperumbudur, Tandalam. They can come the college and they can get the application prospect, they can join, or through online also they can check in the website. We can follow in the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and we are providing the contact number also. So whatever doubt you can ask and you can clarify and you can easily join the courses. I request those who want to seek the admission, the parents or the student, kindly check our website, our activities, our developmental academic activities and all, and you can get the clarification to the faculties and you can welcome to the join the course. Thank you.